delighted to be with you, all of you here today. We have had quite a morning from the launch of the Bedford Student Farm Scheme in Navuso, and now we're here at Navuso District School to officially open 3 brand new classrooms. It is important that we never forget the people and the values that have formed the foundation of both agricultural school and the Navuso district. Thousands of students have passed through the classrooms, as you now do, receiving an education that allowed them to pursue their dreams and make important contributions to our beloved Fiji, just as you will. Navuso Secondary School, owned by the Methodist Church of Fiji, was established back in 1930 and was the only institute at the time in the Pacific that offered a 3-year course certificate in tropical agriculture. Undoubtedly ahead of its time, the Institute reserved 60 places annually for students from other Pacific Island nations up until the 1980s. Navuso Agriculture Technical Institute continues its visionary growth, having been recently registered and accredited with the Fiji Higher Education Commission as the provider for the Certificate in Agriculture, Level 4. Ladies and gentlemen, we face a price increase crisis that is caused primarily by Russia's war on Ukraine, which cut off vital supplies of food, particularly cereals, which includes wheat and energy. Aside from cost increases driven by shortages, inflation is also skyrocketing globally, in part due to disruptions in the supply chain that began during the pandemic and have created scarcities. From COVID to climate change, from global conflict to tropical cyclones, it has never been more important to build community-level resilience and fortify ourselves as much as we can against the impacts of both natural and human-created disasters, especially in the area of food security. My government is focused on ensuring the livelihood of every Fijian farmer by trying to secure as much as possible production and value chains. Friends, we all know that being trained is sometimes not enough to start and grow a sustainable cash-generating business. That is why every student that completes all requirements for the course will receive a full $25,000 in working capital to return home and start own farming business. I also want to take this time to encourage all farmers here today to grab this opportunity with both hands and apply for the announced initiatives, especially our women and youth farmers. From one type of school to another, to now Navuso District School. As the school approaches this Golden Jubilee, I'm proud that we have been able to start renovating and providing you with brand new buildings. I want to emphasize that my government is not satisfied simply with being the first to provide free, compulsory education for every child. We have always said that every Fijian student must have access to an equally high standard of learning, no matter where they live, whether in an urban city or in a rural community. And nabida sa kanang gangani po sa samay, kung matantutik sa tiyukin na natul na classroom mo, ni Navuso District School, nasa kabolyo.